In Kohelet, Ecclesiastes, Shlomo HaMelech, King Solomon, it says that there are 28 different times and seasons, and that everything under the sun has its proper time and season. There's 28 different things. There's a period of love, there's a period of hate. There's time for death, there's time for life. 28 different things that break down to 14 pairs. The last two of them are the time of war and the time of Shalom. The Gra, the Vilna Gaon, Rabbi Eliyahu Mivilna, said about 250 to 280 years ago that if you take 6,000, which is how long we believe the process until Mashiach will be at its longest timeline, right? The worst case scenario is that this world will last for 6,000 years without Mashiach, and then we believe Mashiach has to come at that moment and start a period of 1,000 years called Shabbat. 1,000 years of Shabbat. If you take 6,000 and you divide it by 28, you come out to the number 214. Every period of these 28 is about 214. The last period, the 28th period of Shalom, started according to our calendar on June 17, 261 days into the year 2025. That day was the day that we attacked Iran. The period of Shalom, the last period of this 6,000 year period of the world, began with one of the most talked about wars in all of Jewish literature, the war between Israel and Paras, that the Zohar, the Gemara, the Midrash, and all sources say is the last war that there will be, is the war between Persia and Israel. If the last time that Shabbat has to start is 6,000 years, so then it could happen up until then. But all of us also every week bring in Shabbat, and we all light candles quite a few minutes before Shabbat starts. And we take in the Shabbat, you're meant to at least, before Shabbat actually starts. Would Hashem not keep the same minhag and start Shabbat before Shabbat starts? We're a few months away from Rosh Hashanah. We're going to be going into the year 5786. That means there's 214 years left, like we just said, the last period of Shalom. That's Era of Shabbat. Do the math, 6,000 years. If Shabbat's about to start, we're already within the time of about when we light candles to start Shabbat a little bit early. Guys, we have one thing to do, to not delay Mashiach. That's what Reb Nachman said to the students. That's what Rabbi Yitzchak said to us last night. All of us have an individual obligation to personally, us as individuals, not delay Mashiach. What does that mean practically? Do everything you need to be doing with more passion, with more connection, with more love, with more dedication. And don't do things that you shouldn't be doing. And be kind to others. Connect to Eretz Yisrael, connect to the Torah, connect to God. Connect to Am Yisrael.